Hello friends, today we'll see the schema types, Snowflake schema and fact constellation schema. We know that there are three types of schema. So what is the data warehouse schema? We need to design the structure of the database or how we'll design before actual implementation of the data warehouse. So we have seen the star schema, which is a very famous schema. Then the second type is Snowflake schema and third one is the fact constellation schema. Snowflake schema. So in the star schema, we have seen it gives a fast response to the queries. There is a fact table, central fact table, and the different dimensions are connected to the fact table. So this is a very easy for users to understand, and it supports the multidimensional analysis. So the schema gives the structure of the database design. We can see the Snowflake schema as the modified or refined star schema. So where the sum dimensional hierarchy is normalized into a set of smaller dimension tables. So sum dimensional hierarchy is normalized into a set of smaller dimension tables, and this forms a shape similar to snowflake. So the name is given as Snowflake schema. We know that in the star schema it consists of central large table, that is the fact table. Here is the example explaining the Snowflake schema. In this case, we have the fact table, sales fact table. Then it is connected to the dimensions time, branch, item and location. But as it is a Snowflake schema, we require some more detailed information about few records or about few dimensions. So in this case, the supplier dimension is attached to the item dimension, which consists of supplier key and supplier type. Similarly, the location dimension is extended to connect to CT dimension, which consists of CT key, city, province or street, and the country. So this is how the dimension table hierarchies are broken into the simpler tables. In few organizations, they want to normalize the dimension tables in order to save the space. So the both fact table and the dimension table need to be normalized. But with this structure of Snowflake schema design, it increases the number of joins. So we may get the poor performance in retrieval of the data. Or such kind of design may result into a large and unmanageable. So it also degrades the query performance. So it reduces the effectiveness of the browsing due to more joins. System performance is adversely affected, and hence it is not a popular design or schema of the data warehouse design. So these are the advantages of the Snowflake schema.